chapter 10, sloka 22. Vedanam samavedosmi. Vedanam samavedosmi. Vedanam samavedosmi. Devanam asmi vasavah. Devanam asmi vasavah. Devanam asmi vasavah. Vedanam samavedosmi. 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 Devanam asmi vasavah. Indriyanam manashchashmi. Indriyanam manashchashmi. Indriyanam manashchashmi. Bhutanam chetana. Bhutanam chetana. Bhutanam chetana. Indriyanam manashchashmi. 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 Bhutanam chetana. Vedanam samavedosmi. Devanam asmi vasavah. Indriyanam manashchashmi. Bhutanam asmi chetana.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.